Are we alone in the universe, or does life exist on other planets? This question, ancient as human consciousness, has incited our curiosity for centuries. Visionaries and dreamers have pondered about it, sparking a fascination with the cosmos that drives us further into the stars' embrace. Our ancestors, mesmerized by the twinkling stars and the glowing moon, felt a profound longing to discover what exists beyond. This curiosity transcends the visible, inspiring tales about celestial bodies and igniting speculations about life on other planets. Our fascination with the cosmos extends into our scientific pursuits, leading to the birth of astronomy and space exploration. The existence of extraterrestrial life remains an unsolved mystery, despite our technological advances and cosmic exploration. This enigma, often referred to as the Fermi paradox, after physicist Enrico Fermi, raises the question, where is everybody? Our pursuit for answers has taken us to the moon and beyond, to the unfathomable depths of our solar system and the fringes of our galaxy. Yet, the answer to this ultimate question remains undiscovered. Are we alone in the universe, or does life exist on other planets? The quest to answer this question has led us to an extraordinary journey of discovery and exploration. Our journey begins in the mid-20th century, with the dawn of space exploration. This was a time when humanity began to reach beyond the confines of our own planet, fueled by curiosity and the thirst for knowledge. The era was marked by a series of groundbreaking missions. The Soviet Union, pioneering the field, launched Sputnik, the world's first artificial satellite, in October of 1957. This simple, beeping sphere, orbiting our Earth, marked the first time mankind had sent any object into the space beyond our atmosphere. Not long after, the Luna missions followed, with Luna 2 being the first human-made object to reach another celestial body, our moon, in September of 1959. These missions not only expanded our geographical reach, but also our understanding of the lunar surface and its conditions. Across the ocean, the United States was not far behind, launching the Apollo missions. These missions, culminating with Apollo 11 in July of 1969, achieved what had once been thought impossible: landing humans on the moon. Neil Armstrong's iconic first step was more than a giant leap for mankind. It was a testament to human ingenuity and the limitless potential of our species. These missions were not just about reaching new frontiers, though. They were about understanding the universe around us. Each mission carried scientific equipment designed to gather data to learn about the conditions in space, the composition of the moon, and the possibilities of life beyond our world. The significance of these early missions cannot be overstated. They not only demonstrated our capabilities to explore beyond the Earth, but also opened our eyes to the vastness and the mystery of the universe. They made us realize how little we knew and how much there was to discover. These early missions laid the foundation for our search for life beyond our planet. They sparked the questions that drive us even today. Questions about our place in the universe, about what other worlds might look like, and about whether we are alone in this vast cosmos. As our technology advanced, so did our ability to search for life on other planets. The quest for extraterrestrial life has seen us reach out to the farthest corners of our solar system and beyond. From the barren landscapes of Mars to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn, our rovers, landers, and orbiters have probed and prodded, seeking signs of past or present life. The Mars rovers, for instance, have been our eyes and ears on the Red Planet. These intrepid explorers have been analyzing Martian soil and rocks for over 2 decades, looking for traces of water and organic compounds. They've found evidence of ancient riverbeds and potentially habitable environments, tantalizing hints that Mars may have once been a cradle for life. Beyond our solar system, we've sent the Voyager spacecrafts on an interstellar journey, carrying messages from humanity into the cosmic ocean. They've studied the outer planets and their moons, broadening our understanding of the universe and further fueling our search for life. But perhaps one of the most exciting developments in our quest for alien life has been the discovery of exoplanets. These are planets that orbit stars outside our solar system. Thanks to missions like Kepler and TESS, we've discovered thousands of these alien worlds, some of which lie in the habitable zone, the Goldilocks region where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. Yet, despite our best efforts and technological advancements, concrete proof of extraterrestrial life remains elusive. We've come across intriguing clues and promising leads, but the definitive evidence, a microbe, a complex organism, a signal, continues to evade us. This, however, doesn't deter us. If anything, it propels us further. It stokes the fires of our curiosity and determination. Because at the heart of this quest is a profound question, a question that has echoed through the ages and resonates with each of us. Our search has been extensive, yet the question remains, are we alone? Despite our extensive search, we've come across a paradox, known as the Fermi paradox. Named after the physicist Enrico Fermi, this paradox poses a fundamental question. If the universe is so vast, filled with billions of stars and potentially habitable planets, then where is everybody? Why haven't we found any signs of extraterrestrial life? The Fermi paradox is significant in our quest for understanding life beyond Earth, because it challenges our assumptions about the universe. It's like throwing a party and nobody showing up, even though you sent out invitations to the entire city. It doesn't quite add up. Let's break it down. There are an estimated 200 billion galaxies in the observable universe. Each galaxy on average contains about 100 billion stars. Around these stars there could be at least one planet, and perhaps on one of these planets life might have taken root. With such staggering numbers, it would seem almost impossible for us to be alone. However, the Fermi paradox introduces the concept of the Great Silence, the contradiction between the high probability estimates for the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence or contact with such civilizations. Several factors contribute to this paradox. One is the idea of the Great Filter, a hypothetical barrier that prevents civilizations from colonizing the universe. It could be that life is common, but intelligent life is rare or short-lived. Another factor is the vastness of space and time. Distances between stars are so great that even at light speed it would take years to travel, and civilizations might rise and fall in the time it takes for signals to reach us. Lastly, we might not be listening in the right way or at the right time. Our search methods are based on our understanding of life, which is limited to what we know on Earth. Alien life forms might be so different that we wouldn't recognize them or their signals. The Fermi paradox leaves us with more questions than answers. It reminds us of how little we know and how much more there is to explore. It's a cosmic mystery that fuels our curiosity and drives our search for life beyond Earth. As we continue our quest, the future of space exploration holds exciting possibilities. The next generation of missions and technologies is poised to propel us further into the cosmos, and with it, closer to discovering potential extraterrestrial life. The scientific community is abuzz with anticipation for the arrival of new tools and methodologies that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. One such mission, the Mars Sample Return, is slated to launch in the latter half of this decade. This mission aims to collect and return samples from the Martian surface, potentially uncovering signs of past or present microbial life. The prospect of discovering life on Mars, even if it's in microbial form, would be a monumental step forward, reshaping our understanding of life's universality. In addition to Mars, the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn have also piqued scientific interest. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission, for instance, will investigate Jupiter's moon Europa, renowned for its subsurface ocean. The mission will probe this icy world for signs of habitability and possibly life. Furthermore, advancements in technology are set to play a pivotal role. The James Webb Space Telescope, set to launch soon, will observe the universe in unprecedented detail. This could help us detect biosignatures, signs of life, in the atmospheres of distant exoplanets, broadening our search for life beyond our solar system. Innovative propulsion technologies, such as nuclear propulsion and ion drives, are also on the horizon. These could drastically cut travel times to distant celestial bodies, making interstellar exploration a reality within our lifetimes. These upcoming missions and technological leaps are not merely about reaching farther into space, but about deepening our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. The possibility of discovering life, whether it's a single-celled organism on Mars or complex life forms in the oceans of Europa, would fundamentally shift our perspective of life's existence in the universe. The future of space exploration promises to bring us closer to answering the ultimate question. The universe, vast and unexplored, remains our final frontier. The enormity of the cosmos is truly mind-boggling. Consider this. We exist on a tiny blue dot, orbiting a rather average star, in a galaxy that is home to billions of other stars. And our galaxy, the Milky Way, is just one of billions in the observable universe. Each of these galaxies could potentially host countless planets, moons, asteroids, and comets. Now imagine the possibilities. With such an astronomical number of celestial bodies, the likelihood that we are alone in this vast expanse seems infinitesimally small. Life as we know it requires certain conditions. But who's to say that life elsewhere might not have adapted to conditions we would deem inhospitable? The universe is a cauldron of diversity, and we are just beginning to dip our toes into its infinite complexities. The implications of discovering extraterrestrial life are both thrilling and daunting. It would fundamentally alter our understanding of life itself and the rules that govern it. It would challenge our philosophies, religions, and societies. It would force us to reconsider our place in the grand cosmic scheme. Are we unique, or are we just one of many cosmic inhabitants? Yet, even as we ponder these profound questions, we must also acknowledge the practical implications. Discovering alien life could spur advancements in technology, biochemistry, and medicine. It could help us understand our own origins and life's potential for resilience and adaptation. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. As of now, we have no concrete evidence of life beyond Earth. Our search for extraterrestrial life is driven by hope and curiosity, fueled by our innate desire to explore and understand. It's a search that has spanned decades and will likely continue for many more. While we may not have the answer yet, the search continues, furthering our understanding of the universe and our place within it. The question of extraterrestrial life sparks wonder and curiosity, and we want to hear your thoughts. Do you believe we are alone in this vast universe? Or maybe you have a theory about where we should look next in our search for cosmic companions? Perhaps you ponder on the implications of making contact with a civilization light years ahead of us. Your ideas, theories, and questions are the fuel that drives this exploration. They add depth to our collective understanding and enrich our conversations. So, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, why not give this video a thumbs up? Subscribing to our channel is another way you can support our mission to unravel the mysteries of the universe. Remember, every like, comment, and subscription fuels our journey through the cosmos. So join us as we continue to explore the final frontier.